Well guys, I never finished the video from the other night. We had some problems that night. I got stuck in this grain car, the other grain car got stuck, and then the clutch and the PTO. The third grain car went out, so we're trying to fix that, trying to get everything out. You know, it's the end of the season, we all want to get done, we just want to finish. So I didn't get any of it on video. You know, we were just trying to get as much stuff done as we could. But I'm gonna start another video right now on what's going on tonight. As you can see, it's really windy, so I'll talk about that. And corn harvest 2019 continues. Is full, and we are headed to the loading area to hopefully there's a semi waiting. We've kind of caught up, and you get to sit there for about 10 minutes before a semi gets there. So hopefully got one sitting there so we get right back out here. We're trying to get as much as we can done before tomorrow, because we're taking tomorrow off. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so everybody's gonna hang out with their families, just kind of relax. And then hopefully we'll be done with corn maybe 2 days after Thanksgiving it'll take us, and we'll be done. Tonight we're having a hell of a battle with the wind. You just thought it just getting blown up by the wind. You can see just everything. It's crazy. The stalks. There's been a few that have been blown over and broken. Can't do nothing about it, but for the most part, I think this is Pioneer. It's actually standing really good. I want to say it's 506. Standing really good. Combine's gonna make another little round right here. Looks like the other cart's up there already unloading, so hopefully there's another semi. So we can just keep on moving. We won't get this field done tonight. It's a pretty big field. This is the last field though, so you know, over the next 3 days, we should be able to finish it after Thanksgiving. And then we'll be able to call it a season, which will feel really nice. I mean, I know especially for them, you know, when we finished up apple season, it was a huge relief. So for them, I mean, I'm only here for a month out of their season to help out while we're on downtime, but I mean, for them, this is their year-long thing, so I can only imagine how happy they are to be done. Well, I got up here by the road, and the other grain cart's sitting here full too, so we're waiting on trucks. Hopefully they get here soon, but over the CBs sounds like the wet bin is almost full, so we can't really go much longer. We'll fill whatever trucks we got left. We'll fill the carts, fill the combines, and basically call it a night. I'm gonna have to get some fuel for the morning. Starting to run low. And for those of you asking, no, this tractor doesn't have GPS in it, so, well, this isn't having it right now. There's no monitor on the top. It's set up for it, obviously, but, so no, when I'm running grain cart, I just follow a line, basically, of what I'm looking at. There's no auto steer to put me in the right path. Trust me, I wish I did. Got the auger out waiting. Hopefully truck's coming soon. Actually, looks like there's one coming down the road right now. They're gonna open combines, both are back there. They're gonna open up a little bit of a spot before we call it a night to make it, you know, open up the ends a little more. That way it's a lot easier when we start, not tomorrow, but the following day. You know, we already got the ends opened up, don't gotta do all that play around crap, you just go. So, that's nice. This is a dirt road, so the truck's gotta go fairly slow down it. You don't wanna be bouncing around or anything. So yeah, I will get this truck loaded and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I start heading back out to the combines and see how much longer we got. So he's getting the semi loaded. But real quick, a few of you have been asking about the analytics of the tractor I run. I'm not going to give the model or anything, but A question I've gotten a lot is how much fuel does it burn an hour? And it burns not even a gallon of fuel an hour. And because we're in such wet conditions right now, some of you may know what this is, some of you may not. This tells you your slippage percentage, so it kind of tells me if I'm getting stuck, the farther that number goes up. At the same time, most of you that have ran grain cart, if you haven't, I mean, you pretty much know you're getting stuck. The tractor I run has tracks on it, so that's not a problem. It's the grain cart that's got tires on it. They will drop through all of a sudden, and you feel this thing pull. I mean, you hear bogging down. I don't really need to look at the slippage percentage, but it's fun to sometimes see that number. Well, not really fun when this number gets to like 70s. Yeah, you're not doing very well. The other night I did get stuck, and I was not watching this little thing at all because I knew I was stuck. So his cart looks like it'll top it off. So I will wait again for the next time I come down the road. Playing the waiting game tonight. So the one grain cart just finished unloading. I know it's bad quality. My windows are dirty. So he will go get dumps from both the combines. Since I'm completely full, both combines are running. He'll fill his cart again probably before I can dump, and we'll be sitting here waiting again. But we're a little ways out from where the bins are and the dryer are, so you know, it takes a while for the trucks to make the round trip, but that's farming. So truck's on its way, headed to the dryer. Looks like this combine is still, that's not good. Whatever. Oh, he's still running. Ass is blurry. Well, the point is they're both still running. I'm waiting, so not much to do when you wait. You just kind of sit here and listen to music. Can't play any music when I'm talking to you guys though, because I get copyrighted. So yeah, I'll pick it back up whenever something starts to move around here, I guess.